Hello, I'm Gregg Jarrett. The George Zimmerman second-degree murder trial is now in the hands of the jury. The defense made their closing arguments.
How many could-have-beens have you heard from the state in this case? How many what-ifs have you heard from the state in this case? Well, I don't think, anyway, they don't get to ask you that. I don't think they get to say to you, what do you think? No. What have I proven to you?
He referred to the timeline of the fight.
The state told you that he had no decisions? They dared to tell you that Trayvon Martin had no decisions, that my client planned this? Really? 4 minutes. 4 minutes of planning. And they want you to ignore it. I guess, because if you don't ignore that, factual and undeniable innocence. Because with those 4 minutes, now let's use your common sense.
O'Mara asked the jury to keep emotion out of their decision.
It is a tragedy, truly. But you can't allow sympathy to feed into it. When I say that to you, you should sit back, someone should raise their hand and go, "Are you nuts? How dare you tell me to leave sympathy out of my life? How dare you tell me to leave all of my emotions besides? How dare you? I don't do that ever in my life." Welcome to a criminal courtroom.
The defense used visual aids to demonstrate the struggle.
That is a sidewalk. And that is not an unarmed teenager with nothing but Skittles trying to get home. That was somebody who used the availability of dangerous items from his fist to the concrete to cause great bodily injury. Not that it's necessary for self-defense, but great bodily injury against George Zimmerman.
Prosecutor John Guy gave the state's rebuttal.
Ask yourself, who produced this trial? Who made up the witness list? Who created the evidence? Who chose the circumstances? Who chose the lighting? Who chose the time? Who chose the weather conditions? It wasn't me. It was the defendant.
29-year-old Zimmerman, a former Neighborhood Watch volunteer, is on trial for fatally shooting Trayvon Martin, an unarmed 17-year-old, last year. Zimmerman is pleading not guilty to second-degree murder, claiming he acted in self-defense. In New York, I'm Gregg Jarrett, Fox News.